Okay. Let's take a look at changing a record and some items you need to take into account. Now what happened here? Get all the constraints, add them back in. Okay, run that. Oh well. For my key, if I put in Hayes David, and you click find, I get this. Now, the same record, the same idea as when you insert a record is what happens when you change a record. If the record already exists with that key, like if I put in 3 here and I click insert again, then you see it changes that value. Problem is, if I build my key based upon data values, like if I change this and I put Hayes's like that, it's not going to change this existing record because it'll build a new key. This is not a problem if you use a key like a social security number or a customer ID or something like that. But watch what happens when I click insert. Since I'm building a key off the first name and last name, it automatically generates a new record. So if, again, just as long as when you're running a program, when you come up with this key value up here, if you come up with something unique that you're not going to change, that's why when you give them a customer number of business, that never changes, then you're good. You can just change it by doing an insert again. So the same code. Okay, and that's changing a record.